Good morning to everyone. We are very happy to present this report on our school history. With the grace of God the Father and the inspiration of Our Lady of Velanganni, on 28th of January 2015, our Father has visited Srain Velanganni Matriculation High Secondary School, Kekenagar, Trichy, which was established in 1989 and closed for the last 2 years. On 31st January 2015, our father had discussion with Mrs. P.K. Pillai, the owner at Chennai. From 2nd February 2015, the school was undertaken by the Sisters of DMI. On 5th of February 2015, under the guidance of Father William, Father Anthony and Father Tadayus MMI, Pre-Philosophy and Author Novitiate brothers rendered their service in cleaning the campus and the buildings. They cleaned all the classrooms and painted till June 2015. From 20th to 22nd February 2015, theologians from Palachur also extended their helping hands in completing the works. In the beginning, Sister Malajodi, the Tamil Nadu provincial, was supporting us in all the way, and from 2017 January, Sister Xavier Selvi, the South provincial, continuing the support to us. In order to establish the infrastructure of the school, new building construction was started in March 2015 and the construction was completed in the month of April 2016, in which all laboratories, library, well-furnished smart classroom for effective teaching-learning process are established. The Sisters' House construction was also started in March 2015 and completed in March 2016. On 28th March 2016, Sisters' new house was blessed by Father Joseph OSM, the parish priest of Jagannatha Church, and the sisters, Sister Josephine, Sister Helen, and Sister Preeti staying. Initially, Sister Jehani, the correspondent, stayed with the team and guided the principal and the administrator in the smooth functioning of the school. Academic year 2015-2016. Academic and administrative development. School reopened. We had Eucharistic celebration on 5th June 2015 at 10:30 a.m. Reverend Father Joseph, the parish priest of Jagannatha Church, and Reverend Father Palraj, MMI, the parish priest of St. Anthony Church, celebrated Holy Mass and prayed for all of us, especially for our school to flourish well. Then they blessed all the classrooms. Admissions and strength. In spite of tough challenges from 37 schools in and around our school, we are blessed with 157 new admission for the academic year 2015-16. Open day for the first term was conducted on 10th October 2015. Co-curricular activities. In 2015-16, we conducted balloon day, alphabet activity, coloring and shape day, hand washing activity, singing day and vegetable activity. Staff development program. Faculty development program was conducted on the topic of how to handle the psychologically affected students on 2/6/2015. Mr. Karthik Babu, advocate and counselor, was the resource person. We conducted staff meeting and academic council meeting, cultural competition meetings every month for the development of the staff and students. Student development program. We conducted motivation seminar for 9th and 11th standard students on 5th August 2015. Special awards and achievement. 3 of our students, S. Trishalini of 6th standard got first prize in Tirukural competition, Priyasakti of 2nd standard got second prize, and Sarubala of 2nd standard got third prize in drawing competition, which was conducted by District Library, Trichy. We are very glad to inform you that our students participated in district level handball match under 12 category and won the third place and received the Rolling Cup in Trichapalli district handball competition on 18th and 19th of February 2016. Our student Master S. Balaji of 6th standard got the Promising Player Award in Trichapalli district handball competition on 19th February 2016. Special initiatives. On 8th September 2015, we celebrated the birthday of Our Lady of Velanganni. Reverend Father Joseph, Reverend Father Arulanand of Jaganmatha Parish came and all prayed well. We started second term with the Eucharistic celebration on 5th October 2015. Reverend Father Justine MMI celebrated Holy Mass and gave good homily for the students and teachers. Institutional development. Convent building work was completed in March 2016. School new building work was completed in April 2016. DFT monitoring. On 17/7/2015 at 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m., Dr. Palaniyandi IAS retired, visited our school and had a discussion with Sister Administrator and Principal regarding the workload of the teachers, how to improve our strength, fortnight report formats, and what are the criteria should be followed during the class observation. On 3/10/2015, Reverend Sister Jehni, the correspondent, explained briefly about our society. Then she gave talk to our staff members. It was very excellent and teachers were so happy about it. On 4/9/2015 and 13th September 2015, our father, Sister Jyoti, Sister Celine, Sister Julie and Father William came and visited us and the building work and planned for the boys and girls toilet, and Father gave the plan for Sister's house and some modifications and other work to be done immediately. On 4th September, our father spoke with the staff and asked for their feedback and suggestions. Mr. L. Xavier, the academic coordinator, came and observed the classes and gave the feedback to the teachers on 18/8/2016. We had meetings with all teachers on 23rd October 2017 and we discussed regarding conducting exams and the coachings. Official visit. On 3rd September 2015, IMS came for the inspection at 1:30 and went back at 3 p.m. She visited all the classes and met the students and she was very happy and satisfied about our management and infrastructure. Various celebrations. We celebrated Kamaraj Birthday Educational Development Day on 15th July 2016. We honored the great leader and we had given special speech in Tamil and English. We celebrated 69th Independence Day on 15th August 2015 in a grand manner. Mr. Jayaraman, the branch manager of UBI, KK Nahar, came as a chief guest and Reverend Father M. Magesh, MMI, was as a special guest and presided over the function. Our students gave the colorful programs. We celebrated Teachers' Day on 4/9/2015 in a grand manner. Our students gave excellent program and conducted game for them and they all enjoyed. We conducted the Children's Day program on 14th November 2016. Teachers had given the cultural event and entertained the students and conducted games and encouraged the students. We celebrated Pongal on 14th January 2016 in our school premises. We, the sisters, teachers and students were prepared the Pongal as housewives and we conducted Rangoli competition. Annual Day celebrations. We celebrated first annual day on 19th March 2016 in a grand manner. Monsignor Reverend Father Eugene, the Vicar General, Trichy, Diocese came as a chief guest. Dr. E. Ramganesh, Director, Human Resource and Development Center, Bharatidasan University, Trichy, as a special guest. Mr. T. D. Karthigeyan, Sub-Inspector of Police, Trichy, as a parental guest. Reverend Sister A. Jehani, the correspondent, DFT Group of Schools. Mr. L. Xavier, the Academic Coordinator, DFT Group of Schools. And the Reverend Father Joseph, OSM, the Parish Priest, presided over the function. Academic year 2016-17. Academic and Administrative Development. School reopened. We reopened the school for 6th to 12th standard on 1st June 2016 and 1st to 5th standard on 6th June 2016 and KG classes on 8th June 2016 for the new academic year. Admissions and strength. We are very happy to inform you that we had 154 new admissions for this academic year 2016-17. Instead of tough challenges, we received this admission because we have got 37 schools in and around of our school campus. Open Day. We conducted Open Day for all the class after every exam in order to know their children progresses. Project Day. On 19th November 2016, we conducted science exhibition for the students. Students from standard 1st to 9 and 11th standard participated and exhibited their technological ideas through various projects. Mrs. Geeta and Mrs. Batma, science teachers, came from A.J. Sadiq Metric School as judges for the science exhibition. Rally. We, the sisters, teachers and our parents from Trichy and Thuvarangurichi School participated in the rally, and it was headed by Most Reverend Dr. Anthony Devota, the Bishop of Trichy Diocese, on 30th July 2016. Co-curricular activities. KG activities. In 2016-17, we conducted teddy bear, animal activities, fruits and vegetables activity, shapes activity, hand washing day, balloons activity, good habit day and pencil activity. Staff development program. On 26th May 2016, we conducted induction course for the new staff, and it was started at 10 a.m. with the Bible reading and small prayer by staff of Trichy School. The principal of Shrine Velangani Matriculation High Secondary School, Trichy, welcomed everyone for the program. Resource persons were Reverend Sister Jehani, the correspondent, Reverend Father Arogya Selvam, OP, and Mr. Xavier, the coordinator, DMI group of institutions. Staff from Kodikote, Salem, Coimbatore, and Trichy attended the program. On 28th May 2016, we conducted motivational seminar for all the staff. Dr. Susiharan from Bishop Heber College was the resource person. He dealt with the topics rejuvenating teaching skills, ABCs for the great teachers, students' expectations, and list of stress upon a teacher. Staff meeting. We conducted the first staff meeting on 31st May 2016. Sister Administrator and the Principal conducted the meeting, and we gave teachers guidelines and followed by some general informations to be followed. And every month we conduct the staff meeting. On 24th August 2016, we conducted the meeting for the English and Tamil subject handling teachers. Student Development Program. On 6th June, we conducted the motivational seminar for Standard 9 to 12th Standard. Reverend Father Johnson from Agra Diocese, Rector of Minor Seminary, came and motivated our children. Special Award and Achievements. Our student Miss Merlin of Standard 11 participated in Zonal Level Table Tennis Tournament on 11th August 2016 and got second place. Our students Keetana and Sweta of Standard 11 got second place in state softball competition, which was conducted by Tamil Nadu Softball Association on 27th August at West Tambaram, Chennai. On 29th and 31st of August 2016, School Education Department conducted the zonal level games and sports. Our students Master G.K. Anbu of 8th Standard won 3rd place in high jump, Master Hariharan of Standard 10 won 3rd place in discus throw and 2nd place in shot put. School Education Department conducted the zonal level games and sports. One of our students won 3rd place in high jump and one of our students won 2nd place in discus throw. We congratulate and salute Master Vinithushan of Standard 7, selected for National Level School Games Federation of India in netball team, and he went to play in Andhra Pradesh from 3rd to 7th of October 2016. We are happy to inform that B. Sweta of Standard 11 has been provisionally selected to represent Tamil Nadu team in the forthcoming 38th Senior National Softball Championship to be held on October 2016 at Andhra Pradesh. We conducted missing letters and Who Am I competitions on 9th August for 1st and 2nd standard to develop their skills. We conducted identifying personality, jumbled words and missing letters competitions on 9/8/2016 for 3rd to 5th standard to improve their knowledge. We conducted quiz competition on 2nd September 2016 for 6 to 9 standard on their first terminal portions. We conducted the word building activity on 23rd June 2016 for 3rd to 5th standard students. We conducted the competition on 9th August 2016 for 1st and 2nd standard like missing letters and who am I in order to develop their skills. We conducted the competition on 9th August 2016 for 3rd to 5th standard identifying the personalities, jumbled words and missing letters in order to identify their knowledge. On 24th August 2016, we conducted Tamil quiz for standard 6 to 9 to check their IQ and to make the children to have the interest to learn more. We conducted quiz competition for 6 to 9 standard related to their first terminal portions on 2nd September 2016. Special initiatives. Every first Friday, we celebrate Mass in our school. We started third term with Eucharistic celebration on 4th January 2016. Reverend Father Joseph, parish priest, celebrated Holy Mass and gave the homily to the students and teachers. We had a Eucharistic celebration on 1st June 2016 in our school in order to receive God's blessings and thanked Him for the past year. Reverend Father Justin Rosarian celebrated the Holy Mass. We had Eucharistic celebration on 8th September 2016 in our school campus for the birthday of the Our Lady of Health. Reverend Father Rajkumar OSM was the celebrant. We, the staff and the children received the blessings from Velangani Mada on 8th September 2016. DFT monitoring. On 20th September 2016, Mr. Xavier, the academic coordinator, conducted the training for the CBSE school teachers of Thuvaranguruchi, Salem and Kodikottai till afternoon. Our founder father and sisters Gnanaselvam visited our school on 21st January 2016. Mr. L. Xavier, the academic coordinator, came and observed the classes and gave the feedback to the teachers on 18th August 2016. Our founder father and sister Gnanaselvam, sister Sasirani, sister Celine, sister Julie and Father William visited our school and the construction on 13th February 2016 and Father told us to complete the work. And along with our father and we all of us went for the agricultural exhibition which was conducted by Vigadan Group. Various celebrations. We celebrated Kamaraj Birthday Education Development Day on 15th July 2016. We honored the great leader and we had given special speech in Tamil and English. On 15th August, we celebrated the Independence Day in a grand manner. Mrs. Jayabharati, the IG, presided over the function and she hoisted the national flag and gave the valuable message to the students. Parents were invited for the program and they appreciated our children for their performance. We celebrated Teachers' Day on 3rd September 2016 and our students gave colorful programs. We conducted the Children's Day program on 14th November 2016. Teachers had given the cultural event and entertained the students and conducted the games and encouraged the students. We have celebrated Christmas function on 22nd December 2016. We celebrated Pongal on 14th January 2017 in our school premises. We, the sisters, teachers and students, were prepared the Pongal as housewives and we conducted the Rangoli competition. Annual Day celebrations. We celebrated second Annual Day celebration on 10/2/2017 in a grand manner. Reverend Father D. Thomas, Vicar Foreign, Crawford, Trichy, came as a chief guest. Mrs. Alfonsa Rajam, Headmistress, Government High School, KK Nagar, Trichy, as a special guest. Mr. Arogyaraj Gerald, Assistant Manager, Tata Sky Trichy, as a parental guest, presided over the function. KG Graduation Day. We celebrated first graduation day for kindergarten on 1st April 2017. Mr. Karunakaran, Secretary, Tamil Nadu Handball Association, presided over the function and bestowal of KG students. Academic year 2017-18. Academic and Administrative Development. School reopened. With the blessings of God and our society leaders, we reopened the school for 10th and 12th standard on 1st June 2017 and KG to 9th standard on 7th June 2017. Admissions and strength. We had 81 new admissions for this academic year. Instead of tough challenges, we received this admission because we have got 37 schools in and around of our school campus. We had appointed 8 teaching staff and 4 non-teaching staff for this academic year. Open day. We conducted open day for all the classes after every exam in order to know their children's progresses and the feedback. Parents met the class teacher as well as the sister administrator on 14th October 2017. Most of the parents are very happy about their children's studies and their behaviors. Project day. We conducted science exhibition in our school on 14th October 2017 and many students participated. After meeting the class teachers, parents visited the Science Expo 2017 and encouraged the students. Co-curricular activities. KG activities. In 2017-18, we conducted Red Day, Scribbling activity, Alphabet activity, Flag Day, Leaders Day, Kite Day, Umbrella activity, Green Day activity, Fruit and Vegetables activity, and Christmas activity. Awareness program. As per the collector's information, we had film show in our school from 1st standard to 12th standard on 16th August 2017. 7th to 9th standard students went to collectorate and attended the traffic awareness program along with Mr. John Basket on 3rd August 2017. The assembly students have taken the oath regarding health awareness. Mr. Ilangovan came from Corporation Trichy on 19th August 2017. As per CEO's instruction, PM's interaction with students live show was shown to the class 9th to 12th standard students on 26th February 2018. We screened children's film Irumbu Pen for classes 1st to 9th standard on 25th August 2018. Medical camp. On 18th July 2017 at 10 a.m., Deputy Director of Medical Services, Trichy, and his team visited our school. All the students were examined for leprosy and awareness program was conducted. Staff development programs. We conducted seminar for the staff from Trichy and Yakapuram staff on 10th June 2017 at 9:30 a.m. The prayer was organized by the teachers. Welcome address by Ms. Sudha. Reverend Brother Thomas Montfort was the resource person. Staff meeting. 10th and 12th standard handling teachers had meeting with sister and we planned and discussed about their studies on 12th July 2017. We had meeting with all the teachers on 23rd October 2017 and we discussed regarding conducting exams and the coaching. Reverend Father Justin conducted the seminar for staff. Yakapuram and Trichy staff participated on 4th November 2017. Sister Josephine introduced a new principle to staff and students on 9th November 2017. Principal conducted meeting for all the teachers and discussed coaching strategy for lower classes on 6th January 2018. Students development programs. Career guidance. We conducted career guidance for class 12 standard on 27th November 2017. We conducted career council for foreign studies for class 12 standard by Mr. Samuel, Bishop Heber College on 27th November 2017. Parents meeting. We conducted parents meeting for KG classes on 10th March 2018, for 1st to 5th standard on 15th March 2018, for classes 6th to 9th standard on 23rd March 2018. Special awards and achievements. Students from under 14 and 17 categories participated in handball match in St. Vincent School and won first place under 14 on 12th July 2017. Special initiatives. Every first Friday, we have the Eucharistic celebration in our school. Parish priest from Jagannatha Church came and inspired the students by their preaching. We conducted prayer service on 20th Jan 2018. We had the Eucharistic celebration on 2nd February 2018. Reverend Father Selvakumar, OSM, came and celebrated. Prayer service and Holy Mass conducted for the board exam students on 26th February 2018. Reverend Father Vijay Kumar MMI had come and blessed the students. DFT monitoring visit. On 10th June 2017, we conducted the induction course for the new staff from Trichy, Yogabaram, Kodikottai and Coimbatore. It was started at 9:30 a.m. Prayer was said by Mrs. Matilda and Mrs. Chandragani gave the welcome address. Followed by Mr. L. Xavier, the academic coordinator, started the session. On 18th November 2017, class observation was done by the academic coordinator and principal. Afternoon, staff meeting was conducted and the academic coordinator discussed the areas of improvement. Various celebration. We celebrated the Educational Development Day, Perunthalavar Kamaraj birth anniversary on 13th July 2018. Investiture ceremony. We conducted investiture ceremony for the first time in a grand manner. Parents were invited and witnessed the ceremony. Everyone appreciated the way it was conducted and the address of the chief guest, Mr. Kalimani, Assistant Director, Statistical Department, Collector Office, Trichy, on 7th July of 2018. Sports Day. We celebrated the first annual sports meet on 10th August 2017. Mr. Karunagaran, the Secretary, Handball Association, Trichy, was the chief guest of the program. Reverend Sister Vasanti and her community sisters, Reverend Sister Sahaya Rani, were there for the program and they were very great support for us. We had Teachers' Day celebration on 5th September 2017. We conducted quiz and games for the staff. We celebrated Children's Day on 14th November 2017. KG to 12th standard fancy test competition was conducted in the morning. Parents attended it. We had Ayudha Puja celebration on 28th September 2017. We had our school feast celebration in the afternoon on 7th September 2017. Reverend Father Stanislaus and Reverend Sister Sumadi and Reverend Sister Selva Mary came from Yagapuram for the celebration on 7th September 2017. We have celebrated Christmas function on 22nd December 2017. We celebrated Pongal on 11th January 2018. We prepared Pongal and we distributed to all the students and staff. Annual Day celebrations. We celebrated 3rd Annual Day on 28th February 2018 in a grand manner. Chief guest, Reverend Father Dr. F. Andrew S.J., Principal of St. Joseph College, Trichy. Special guest, Mr. D. Arogyaraj, Principal of Kingsley Matriculation School, Trichy. Parental guest, Mr. R. Robert Spickin, Principal of St. George Montessori School, Trichy. Reverend Father John Rongali, OSM, Parish Priest, Jaganmatha Church, Trichy, conducted the prayer service. Reverend Sister Roslyn, Correspondent, DFT Schools, Reverend Sister Xavier Selvi, DMI, South Provincial, were our guests of honor. Sisters of DMI, Fathers of MMI were also present. KG Graduation Day. Second graduation day was celebrated in a grand manner on 7th April 2018. Chief guest Mrs. R. Mageshwari awarded the graduation certificates to the students and addressed the gathering. Parents were very happy and satisfied. Academic year 2018-19. Academic and Administrative Development. School reopened. We had the school reopen and Eucharistic celebration on 6th June 2018. Reverend Father Marivalan S.J. came and celebrated Holy Mass and blessed all the students, buildings and vehicles. Admissions and strength. We had 55 new admissions for this academic year and the school strength is 247. Open Day. We conducted Open Day on 23rd June 2018. Parents met all the class teachers and gave their feedback. Project Day. Superior General Reverend Sister Rita and Reverend Sister Xavier Selvi, South Provincial, visited our project day and appreciated our students and staff on 17th October 2018. Mr. Charles H.R. Bharathiar University came as a judge for the project day and he appreciated the students' efforts. Administrators' meeting was conducted on 11th April 2019. Co-curriculum activities. KG activities. We conducted shapes activity, alphabet hunt activity, fruits and vegetables activity, shading activity, leaders day, vegetable printing activity, matchstick activity and KG picnic. ECA activities. ECA activities like Western dance, classical dance and taekwondo started on 6th July 2018. Handwriting classes conducted for 1st to 11th from 22nd to 27th October 2018. Inauguration of club activities. We conducted inauguration of club activities for sports, maths, science, computer and language clubs on 31st July 2018. Valedictory function of club activities. ECA and club activities valedictory function conducted on 16th March 2019. Awareness program. We screened children's film Irumbu Pen for classes 1st to 9th on 25th August 2018. An awareness program on POCSO law conducted by Tamil Nadu Police Department on 19 January 2019. Youth Awakening Day celebrated in our school. Mr. J. Mugundan, retired ISRO scientist, interacted with our students regarding space technology on 15th October 2018. Book exhibition was conducted with the help of New Century Book House on 23rd to 25th of August 2018. Staff development programs. We conducted staff meeting for 11th handling teachers and explained about new pattern of internal assessment for 10 marks on 10th July 2018. We conducted meeting for sports council members on 20th July 2018. We hosted induction program for Trichy, Salem, Yagapuram, Kodikottai, Coimbatore, Tirunelveli, Rajapalayam, Aralvaimozhi, Tenkasi and Annai Nagar schools by resource persons Mr. L. Xavier, Academic Coordinator, DFT Group of Schools and Reverend Dr. Gilbert S.J. on 28th July 2018 under the supervision of Reverend Sister Roslyn, the correspondent, DFT Group of Schools. Reverend Sister G. Josephine, DMI, Coordinator and Administrator Sisters, Principals and newly appointed 54 teachers participated. On 18th May 2019, we hosted the Staff Enrichment and Improvement Teaching Methodology for Mathematics. Trichy, Aralvaimozhi, Salem, Yagapuram, Tirunelveli, Kodikottai, Rajapalayam schools participated. It was started at 9:30 a.m. Prayer was said by Mrs. Gwendolyn Pereira and Ms. Nisha gave the welcome address. Followed by Mr. L. Xavier, the academic coordinator, started the session. Teachers took demo class on given topics. Smart class training for all the teachers presented by Mr. Sivaraj, Tata Class H Academic Manager on 15th March 2019. Motivational program. Class 9, 10, 11 standard participated in a motivational program. Motivational sessions for board exam students conducted on 26 February 2019. Mr. Thangavelu Marimuthu was the resource person. Students Development Program for classes LKG to 11th standard presented by Mr. I. Johnny from JS Turning Point on 9th November 2018. Special Awards and Achievement Competition. Our students participated in science quiz conducted by Hindu newspaper groups on 29th August 2018. 4 of our students participated in Pudhiya Thalaimurai Veetukkoru Vignani Science Project competition on 5th October 2018. 2 of our students won prizes in essay competition conducted by Anna Science Center, Trichy. Our students participated GK competition conducted by SSI Computer Center on 7th November 2018. Special initiatives. Holy Mass celebrated first Friday and the feast of our patron mother Velanganni. Reverend Father Eugene, Trichy Diocese, came for the celebration of the Holy Mass and blessed all on 7th September 2018. Special Mass for Standard 10 and 12. We offered special Mass and prayer for our board exam students. Reverend Father Jesu, SVD, came and celebrated the Holy Mass on 4th March 2019. Valley Education and Catechism Inspection. Inspection for Valley Education and Catechism conducted on 6th November 2019 and exam conducted on 3rd February 2020. DFT Monitoring. Superior General Reverend Sister Rita and Reverend Sister Xavier Selvi, South Provincial, visited our school on 17th October 2018. Reverend Sister Roslyn talked to the teachers, appreciated the efforts taken by the teachers to bring in novelty in teaching learning process. Also asked the teachers to work for more admissions and gave a target of 10 admissions for each teacher on 20th November 2018. Reverend Sister Roslyn correspondent checked our records and gave suggestions for improvement on 23rd 11th 2018. Classroom observations. Informed the teachers about the classroom observations by DFT training coordinator Mr. T. Arogya Raja on 13th August and 14th August 2019. Feedback given to the teachers, those who were observed by Mr. T. Arogya Raja in the evening. Official visit. Tahsildar visited our school regarding issuing certificate for minority status on 5th October 2018. DEO came for recognition renewal inspection on 5th February 2019. Various celebrations. Education and Development Day, Perundalevar Kamarajar birth anniversary, assembly activity conducted on 15th 7 2019. We conducted 72nd Independence Day celebration presented by Major A. Patrick, Training Officer, NCC Group Headquarters Trichy, was the chief guest on 15th August 2018. We celebrated Teachers' Day on 5th September 2018. SPL and ASPL arranged the Teachers' Day celebration. They have given good program and entertained the teachers. Annual Sports Meet. We celebrated the second annual sports meet on 18th August 2018. Mr. J. Mugundan, ISRO, Department of Space, Government of India was the chief guest of the program. The event was a grand success and parents greatly appreciated the efforts taken for the smooth conduction of the event. We celebrated Ayudha Puja for our vehicles. Reverend Father Vincent MMI prayed and blessed the vehicles and all the labs on 17th October 2018. We celebrated Christmas on 21st December 18. Reverend Father Shaker Sebastian gave Christmas message. Pongal celebration was conducted in a grand manner on 12th January 2019. 70th Republic Day celebrated in a simple way on 26th January 2019. Annual Day celebration. We celebrated 4th Annual Day celebration on 1st February 2019 in a grand manner. Chief guest, Reverend Father Dr. T. Sahayaraj, Parish Priest, St. Mary's Cathedral, Trichy. Special guest, Dr. Mrs. R. Geeta, Assistant Professor, Department of Community Medicine, KAP Vishwanathan Government Medical College, Trichy. Parental guest, Mr. P. Sivakumar, Deputy Superintendent of Police, retired, Trichy. Women's Day celebration. Women's Day celebrated on 16th March 2019. Parents came and enjoyed the program. Dr. Aparna Preeta, Assistant Professor, Kalaikavari Fine Arts College, Trichy was the chief guest. Graduation celebration. We conducted 3rd kindergarten graduation function on 29th March 2009.
Academic year 2019-20. Academic and Administrative Development. Admission and Strength. We had 56 new admissions for this academic year and the school strength is 262. Results. In classes 10, 11 and 12, we achieved 10% results. School reopened. After summer vacation, school reopened on 3rd June 2019. We had prayer service and Holy Mass celebrated by Reverend Father Benjamin from Trichy Diocese on 3rd June 2019. We conducted abacus class for 2nd and 5th standard students on 19th August 2019. Open Day. We conducted the Open Day for UKG to 9th standard on 10th August 2019. Most of the parents came for the Open Day. It went on well. Project Day. Mrs. J. Bharati, BT Assistant, Government High Secondary School, KK Nagar, was a chief guest and judged the students' exhibits. She gave a motivated talk in the beginning to the students on 21st October 2019. KG Assembly Activity. We conducted Road Safety Rules activity in KG Assembly activity on 14th February 2020. Administrator Meeting. Administrator meeting was conducted in our school by Southern School correspondent Reverend Sister Rosaline on 18th May 2019 and on 18th June 2020. Co-curricular activities. KG activities. We conducted alphabet activity, balloon day, butterfly activity, candle activity, coloring and scribbling activity, leaf activity, sharing activity, sponge activity, tree activity, earbuds activity, fine motor skills, festival day activity, sowing and reaping activity, and deep park visit. House formation. We divided the students into 4 houses on 15th June 2019. We conducted election for SPL and ASPL on 15th June 2019. We conducted special yoga classes and competition to celebrate International Yoga Day on 21st June 2019. JRC inaugural program. We conducted inaugural function for JRC on 5th October 2019 and inaugurated by Mr. Jawahar Hassan, District Joint Convener, JRC Trichy. We conducted handwriting classes from 13th to 16th August 2019. Club activities. We conducted club activities on 9th November 2019. Literature Club conducted the activities like Tamil stories, English conversation, and Hindi songs. Science Club played a safety and first aid videos. We conducted spoken English classes for 1st to 9th standard by our English teachers, Mrs. Sharmila and Mr. Frederick on 22nd June 2019. Awareness programs. World Elder Abuse Awareness Day pledge was conducted in the Assembly on 15th June 2019. We conducted World Environment Day and students went to rally on 22nd June 2019. Our students went to Collector Office for Traffic Awareness Program arranged by Trichy City Traffic Police Department on 5th July 2019. Students from NIT Trichy conducted an awareness program on plastic hazards on 15th October 2019. Health Inspector Mr. Panir Selvam addressed our student in the morning assembly regarding dengue, no plastic, home decomposing and rainwater harvesting on 12th November 2019. We conducted coronavirus awareness program in the morning assembly presented by Aiman Women's College students Trichy on 14th February 2020. Medical camp. Leprosy screening test done by Health Department on 19th November 2019. Staff development programs. On 18th May 2019, we hosted the Staff Enrichment and Improvement Teaching Methodology for Mathematics. Trichy, Oral Vaimuri, Salem, Yahapuram, Tirunelveli, Kodikotai, Rajapalayam schools participated. It was started at 9:30 a.m. Prayer was said by Mrs. Gwendolyn Pereira and Mrs. Nisha gave the welcome address. Followed by Mr. L. Xavier, the academic coordinator, started the session. Teachers took demo classes on given topics. We conducted teachers training on the topic handling kids. Dr. Rajkumar was the resource person. Trichy, Annai Nagar and Erayur school staff attended the meeting on 27th May 2019. We conducted teachers training on the topic Empowering Teachers and Child Psychology. Mr. E. Paul Gunaloganath was the resource person. Trichy, Annai Nagar and Erayur school staff attended the training on 29th May 2019. We conducted teachers training on the topic Classroom Management. Dr. R. S. A. Susiharan was the resource person. Afternoon session on the topic Be an Inspiring Teacher. Mrs. Nancy was the resource person. Trichy, Annai Nagar and Erayur school staff attended the training on 30th May 2019. We conducted teacher training on the topic Effective Communication Skills. Dr. R. S. A. Susikaran was the resource person. Trichy, Annai Nagar, Erayur school staff attended the training on 31st May 2019. We arranged for one-day training for new teachers of Southern schools in our campus. 15 new teachers participated. Mr. L. Xavier, academic coordinator, and Mr. T. Arogya Raja, training coordinator, were the resource persons. Our school staff, Mrs. Nisha Sherin, has given an introductory demo on Tata Class Edge usages on 29th June 2019. On 17th August 2019, we hosted in-service training program for teachers of classes 1st and 2nd. 44 teachers from DFT Southern Schools participated. It was started at 9:30 a.m. Prayer said by Mrs. Merlin and Ms. Reshma gave the welcome address, followed by Mr. T. Arogya Raja, training coordinator, DFT, started the session. We conducted staff meeting for the teachers, 10th, 11th and 12th handling teachers on 21st August 2019. Annual day review meeting conducted on 10th January 2020. Staff meeting conducted on 3rd February 2020. Smart Class Training Program. We conducted teacher training on usage of Smart Class. Mr. Shivaraj, Tata Class Edge Academic Manager, was the resource person. Our school staff attended the meeting on 20th July 2019. Parent Orientation Program. On 29th February 2019, we conducted parent orientation on the topic Effective Parenting. We had good response from the parent and they found it useful. ERP Training Program. ERP training conducted on 17th March 2020. Resource person Father Johnson, Mr. Avaranjidan and Mr. Arul. Students Development Program. Career Guidance Program. We conducted Career Guidance Program on CA and CMA for classes 9th to 12th standard students on 6th July 2019. One-day Career Guidance Workshop conducted for board exam students on 25th July 2019. Mr. T. Arogya Raj, training coordinator, DFT, was the resource person. Special awards and achievements. 30 of our students participated in various competitions conducted by Crime Department of Tamil Nadu Police on International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. Certificates were distributed in the morning assembly on 6th July 2019. Students of classes 4 to 8 wrote Byju's Talent Search Exam on 27th July 2019. Competition. Essay writing competition conducted by PCRA for classes 7 to 10 on 13 September 2019. Prizes distributed by Indian Oil Corporation Limited for first 3 places. We distributed medals and certificates to the students, those who had participated in Run of Your Favorite Teachers Marathon conducted by St. Joseph College, Trichy on 14th October 2019. 6 of our students went for Anna Science Center to participate Science Day competitions on 21st January 2020. Participants of Ramayanam contest and harmfulness essay competition were appreciated in the morning assembly and certificate were given on 17th February 2020. We conducted drawing and handwriting competition for classes 1st to 12th standard on 22nd June 2019. We distributed the prizes and certificates for the participant of various competitions conducted by Kamban Kalagam on 16th August 2019. We distributed prizes for the students who have participated in various competitions on 10th of August 2019. Sports. Our students participated in zonal sports in Anna Stadium on 19th August 2019. Our school girls under 14 badminton team participated in zonal match and got zonal runners-up place on 20th August 2019. Inter-school competition. Our students participate for inter-school competition at DMI St. Joseph Global School, Yahapuram on 11th January 2020. They were appreciated in the morning assembly. Special initiatives. We conducted First Friday Mass on 5th July 2019. Reverend Father Gabriel from Trichy Diocese celebrated the Holy Mass. New Velangani Mada statue in the entrance of the school was blessed and opened on 5th July 2019. Novena Prayer. We have conducted Novena Prayer on 29th 8th 2019. Holy Mass and Annai Velangani Feast. We celebrated Annai Velanganni Feast Mass on 7th September 2019. Reverend Father Sekar Sebastian, Parish Priest Katur, and Reverend Father Brito, MMI, came and celebrated the Holy Mass. Valley Education and Catechism Inspection. Inspection for Valley Education and Catechism conducted on 6th November 2019. DFT Monitoring. Secretary Reverend Sister Jahani visited our school on 10th June 2019. Correspondent Reverend Sister Roslyn visited our school on 4th July 2019 and talked to the students in the assembly and motivated them on 5th July 2019. Maths and Science teachers had a discussion with Mr. L. Xavier, Academic Coordinator DFT, regarding common question papers for the classes 6, 7 and 8 on 20th September 2019. DFT interview conducted at our school for Southern Schools on 10th April 2019. We have conducted the interview for teaching and non-teaching staff for 5 schools, Trichy, Erayur, Tuvarangurichi, Pudukottai and Salem schools on 9th May 2019. Classroom observation. Mr. T. Arogyaraja, DFT training coordinator, observed classroom teaching and give feedback meeting conducted in the evening. Various celebrations. We conducted investiture ceremony on 12th July 2019. Dr. Srinidhi Vihashini, NCC Officer, Assistant Professor, Department of Environmental Science and Management, Bharadasan University, Trichy was the chief guest for the function. Educational Development Day, Perundalaivar Kamaraj birth anniversary, assembly activity conducted on 15th July 2019. We celebrated 73rd Independence Day in our school in a grand manner. Wing Commander Mr. C. Gunasekharan, Commanding Officer, Tamil Nadu Air Squadron, NCC Trichy was the chief guest on 15th August 2019. Sports Day celebration. We celebrated the 3rd annual sports meet on 31st August 2019. Mr. S. S. Sundar, National Athlete, Deputy Senior Section Engineer, Southern Railways, Trichy was the chief guest of the program. The event was a grand success and parents greatly appreciated the efforts taken for the smooth conduction of the event. Teachers' Day celebration was conducted on 5th September 2019. Teachers were asked to be more firm on doing good to the young minds through love and affection rather than hatred and punishments. We conducted KG Grandparents' Day on 13th September 2019. Most of the grandparents and the parents participated. We conducted Ayuda Puja for our vehicles and labs. Reverend Father Peter Ramaladas from St. Paul's Seminary came and blessed on 5th October 2019. We conducted assembly activity to celebrate Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam birth anniversary on 15th October 2019. We conducted special assembly activity for Diwali on 25th October 2019. Christmas celebration. We celebrated Christmas on 20th December 2019. Reverend Father Jesu from Trichy Diocese was the chief guest, delivered the Christmas message, prayed and blessed all. Our principal and correspondent sister went to Founder Father birthday celebration in Chennai on 21st December 2019. Annual Day celebration. We celebrated 5th Annual Day celebration on 8th January 2020 in a grand manner. Chief guest Professor Dr. A. Ilangovan, Director in charge for Distance Education, Bharatidasan University, Trichy. Parental guest Dr. J. Rajesh, Naturopathy and Yoga Research Center, Trichy. Special guest Reverend Father John Roncalli, OSM Parish Priest, Jaganmatha Church, Trichy. We conducted Pongal celebration on conclusion. We thank our Father and also Sister Rita, the Superior General, Sister Xavier Selvi, the Provincial, Sister Yana Selvam, the Managing Trustee, Sister Jahani, the Secretary, and Sister Roslyn, the Correspondent, for their moral support and guidance in fulfilling our mission. We also extend our heartfelt thanks to all the parents for their continuous support and cooperation that enable us to move forward with confidence. We thank all the staff, teaching and non teaching, for their dedicated service, which is a key to all our achievements. We entrust our school to the divine hands of Mother of Velangani, our patron, and we invoke her blessings for the journey ahead of us. Thank you.